Afternoon, we're here in Midstream Ridge, opposite the school, the creche, the Olympic size pool, and close to the main gate at the entrance. This house is a 6-bedroom property that's 11,990,000. This property consists of, like I said, 6 bedrooms. You can see there's 4 garages and spacious luxury finishes. Let me show you. When you enter the door, your door access work on a facial recognition. On this house, you don't need a key. There's facial recognition and you open the door with your actual face. Standing at the front door, coming here with your facial recognition and you enter. On this property, as you enter, you'll notice we got travertine floors. We got a built-in bar with entertainment area, open plan quality finishes. You can expect 2 gas fireplaces for winter time to warm up this side of the house and the other side of the property. A private study, private gym, and then all opening up onto the pool area. Let me show you. All of these doors slide open. This is special glass to keep your temperature, for temperature control. A small putting range outside. Privacy from all over, no neighbor looking onto your yard. Quality wood finishes on your top. Built-in bar with a solid wood counter. Built-in sound, air conditioning of this area, TV point, your private built-in cellar with air conditioning to keep it on the right temperature, all your wines. Then you can close off your entertainment area to keep it separate from the rest of the property. As you come in, to keep it separate, and also expecting another fireplace here at the back at your dining room area. And this is all folding stacking doors going out onto the pool. Extra large built-in braai. And one of the big focusing points is your built-in gym, indoor gym. I'll show you on this side. Enough space to do all your training, exercise, all in one. Entering here, your guest room, ensuite, with a small kitchenette. Full bathroom, also with quality frameless showers, built-in gibbered toilets and showers onto the bathroom, onto the bath. You see your cupboards, built-in cupboards, quality roof sliders, built-in mirrors, and yeah, this is also unique. TV point and then automatically blinds that covers up for temperature control. And on your outside, you've got a small jacuzzi area. You've got smaller children, like a small play area there. And your pool that's also leading onto your entertainment area. So this is the central point of this property. On this side, as I said, is your guest room. You've got your entertainment area, a TV room, a dining room, and let me show you the study. Let's go to the private study. Got space for your own little boardroom table here, and private study desk to work, do your office work. Also, that is enclosed. You can keep it separate from the rest of the property, but also very private. Let me show you this area. TV room for the kids, also aircon fitted, with a big fireplace, gas fireplace on this side. And that's directly flowing from your kitchen area. Separate scullery with a walk-in pantry underneath the staircase. As for all your appliances, all this clinical look and feel that you can experience in this property. Scullery area, you can fit your dishwasher, your tumble dry, and your washing machine. All will fit in here exactly on the right spaces where you need it. Big oven and convection oven and microwave. Quality appliances. Just make a 5-burner smack plate. And then also you can see the size and the quality of this kitchen. From here you can work and see everybody from your entertainment area onto the pool, into the gym, onto the kids at the TV room area. The 4 garages, 2 on this side, 2 on that side, entering the house, but also very special. Entering the property, on your right hand side, a guest toilet with the built-in gibbered toilets, quality floating vanities, and on this side you can use this as your staff accommodation. That's also direct coming interleading into the property. On this floor we have 5 bedrooms plus a pajama lounge. Private area, quality finish. Let me show you. The first bathroom, these 2 bedrooms sharing this bathroom. Here you got like a private library and the pajama lounge. Place to study, sit, enjoying a book in a quiet spot here and just read your book and relax. Also notice that this passage is a bit wider than standard. From this, you will expect higher ceilings, air conditioning, flowing direct out of the bedrooms onto this pool area, and these two bedrooms on this side is all en suite. As you can see from here, looking out all over to the entertainment area. And let me show you the bedroom next door. Guys, come and look here. Bedroom number 5. This one is also en suite with a shower, basin, and floating basin and Gibret toilets. From here, you can also see this lovely entertainment area, and you can follow me from here and I'll show you. You can see bedroom 1, 2, 3, 4 and bedroom 5 there. Also showing you from this side, built-in cupboards, spacious rooms with double volume. Another one, these 2 bedrooms share a bathroom and the other 3 is all en suite. Overlooking this nice pool area with your built-in jacuzzi, like it's special for summer to entertain. You can see the kids from all over this house. Entering on this side is your main bedroom. What a class on its own. Spacious, central aircon, nice northern light coming in. Samsung central aircon with built-in sound. Your bulkheads, nice, spacious, and with your main ensuite on this side. Built-in, walk-through dresser with enough space for your shoes, all your private stuff. Jacuzzi bath, Gibrets, heating towel rail, he's in this with a shaver plug and a double shower for his and his. Also central sound in this area, inside the dresser area that you can utilize. Each has their own private gaming room. Just the space you're looking for. Look at this.